Hi, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In this video I will show you how to zip and unzip a zip tie, in other words a cable tie. So let's get started. Firstly, let's quickly wrap the zip tie. Hold the zip tie with the rough side on the top like this. Then bend the tie, pointing towards the trap. Put the tie in and start zipping. It depends on your needed to be zipped item that you should adjust the zipping level on the cable. The more you push the tie now, the item to be zipped. Now, if you want to undo the zip tie, you cannot just remove as normal what we did for other types of ties. Here's how to undo zipping. Bend the tie forwardly. Check on the little switcher inside. You see it move a little bit backward, then use your thumb fingernail to keep holding on it and move it more backward just to open the way for the tie to be unzipped. In the meantime, withdraw the cable tie out of the trap box and voila, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you find this helpful, please rate it with others. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorial videos later on. Bye for now.